Being a music producer and recording artist myself, I can safely say I've had my fair share of consumer grade headphones, ranging from $100 to $600, from earbuds to over the ear headphones to studio grade headphones used for professional work. Never have I ever seen something quite like this. I was on Amazon and I came across a pair of $50 headphones from the brand SoundCore. They're the Q20 model to be exact. And I saw that they had over 50,000 reviews, so I decided to snag a pair for myself to review. So let's take a look. Are these $50 headphones worth your hard-earned buckaroonies, or do they suck? Welcome to DupeTube, a place where you can get the most bang for your buck by shopping the best affordable alternatives. Alright guys, so let's do a quick unboxing and take this thing out of its packaging. So standard stuff here, just a whole bunch of branding everywhere. I'm not looking for an extravagant unboxing experience because honestly they had to cut costs somewhere. It's 50 bucks guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna pull it out of the box and it's just a lot of plastic. What I do feel underneath is there is a little carrying case pouch that's included. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on my desk right there and take the top plastic part off really quick. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, and there it is, nice and compact, folded pretty securely in there. You do have some included wires as well. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. All right, so initial first impressions, these guys are super light. I'm trying to stretch them out and bend them to see if I can hear any creaking, but so far I don't, so that's a good sign here. Depending on if you have a small head or a big head, that shouldn't be too much of a problem because it looks like they're pretty flexible. The ear leather inside here, pretty soft. You can tell it's clearly fake leather, but hey, it's 50 bucks. When it comes to the plastic, it's pretty hollow, super lightweight though. That's something I would prefer, to be honest. I don't like my headphones heavy. We have an included micro USB-A here. I'm side-eyeing that a little bit. I would prefer USB-C. And we do have an included 3.5. All right, so that's for the unboxing. There's a few key points that make a consumer grade headphone really great. Number one is the build quality and weight. Number two is the sound quality and active noise canceling, also known as ANC. Number three, the controls, Bluetooth, and the ease of use. And number four, probably the most important, the price. When it comes to the build quality, I'd give it a solid 7 out of 10. Listen, they're $50 headphones. They're not going to blow your socks off, but they're not bad either. I noticed when it comes to headphones specifically, there's a fine line between feeling like it's made out of high quality materials whilst also trying to balance that with being lightweight and versatile. See, most headphones I see either do one or the other, and these kind of lean towards more the, yeah, they're cheap and light feeling, but that's why I like them kind of vibe. I personally like them. I can throw these around, I can travel with them, I can take them to the gym, go on my daily walks while doing chores. They're super light and I don't even notice them on my head. Meanwhile, my $600 AirPods Maxes don't leave my office because I'm terrified of getting them scratched at the slightest bit. Number two, the sound quality was actually the thing that surprised me the most. The highs are crisp, the bass is excellent and boomy if that's your thing. It has a very V-shaped sound signature out of the box. You're definitely getting more bang for your buck than versus what you spend on these. As far as the active noise canceling, it's decent. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. It will easily cancel out air conditioning or plane noise, background noise in general, to be honest. Children for the most part, depending on how loud they're screaming, etc., etc. The pass-through, or the no noise canceling mode, sucks though. It sounds really muffled, and honestly, if you want to hear your surroundings, you're better off just taking them off and putting them around your neck. The microphone also sucks. I'd give the mic like a 4 out of 10. For the price though, you can't honestly really complain. You're paying for sound quality at this point here, which is the thing that really shines through on this product. Microphone test 1 2 3. Microphone test 1 2 3 on the SoundCore Q20s. And now you guys see why I gave it a 4 out of 10. Could you make a phone call on this headset? You let me know. Number three, controls. So controls are tactile and physical buttons on these, as opposed to something like my Bose NC700s that require swipe gestures to navigate around. I actually like the physical buttons better than the ones on my Bose NC700s, but that's just personally my preference. You do have a physical power button, a noise canceling button, a play pause volume up and volume down. When it comes to Bluetooth, it connected extremely fast with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I had no issues since. Ease of use will give it a solid 9 out of 10. And last but not least, let's talk about the price. This is where everyone wins here. It's literally $50. Sometimes I've even noticed it on Amazon going on sale for as low as $40. Totally getting the most bang for your buck out here. I can totally see why there's so much hype around this product. All in all, I'd give this product dupe score of 8 out of 10. I took a couple points off for the lack of clarity when noise canceling is off, as well as the microphone quality and a micro USB-A. Come on, SoundCore, USB Type-C, please, next time. Anyways, that's our review. Thanks for watching, we hope it helped, and we'll see you all next time for our next review, and we'll catch you guys later. Alright.